Pinterest and I've seen so many celebrities in this sweater. Hi guys, this is Nandini Man. I hope you guys are doing great. I know from past some time I was really on and off and I'm really sorry about it. But now I am back and I'm gonna post a lot of clothes, haul videos and reels and you guys are gonna love it. And this is my haul part 4. By the way, that is my friend Panda. Say hi to Panda. आज हम ट्रेनिंग भी कर रहे हैं. So yeah, you guys are gonna love this haul. So any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first one is this vest. I love vest, especially in winter season. They look so chic. I love this. The color is amazing. The quality is amazing. It is ripped material, so it is stretchable. You can style vest in so many ways. They look amazing. And I have seen the similar kind of vest on Urbanic also. And वहाँ ये it was something like 1,800. मुझे ज़्यादा बोल दिया 1,000 something का ही था, but it was on expensive side. And at my store it is just for 390 rupees with free shipping. Okay guys, so the next one is this sweater from brand Justice. It represents LGBT community pride flag. I love this. The quality is amazing. It is knitted material, and I personally like this sweater because it supports LGBT community, which is amazing. And online also you can find the similar kind of sweater, and it is something $14 with shipping charges. But at my store it is just for 420 rupees with free shipping. Okay, so the next is this beautiful yellow cardigan. I am in love with this one. Like, I am in love with the color, the material, quality, everything is top notch. It is knitted material and just look at these cute buttons. And I'm not kidding, I got the same sweater last year from H&M and it was something 1,600, 700. I'm in shock right now. At my store it is just for 470 rupees. Like 470, 1,600. Wow. It is like size small to medium. So yeah, I love this. This is my favorite. Next is this beautiful mustard halter neck top. It is thick material and it is warm, so you can wear it in winter season also. I really love these kind of top because sweaters and hoodies से थोड़ा सा हटके you can style these top in winter season. Like कोई blazer डाल के it will give a formal look, and कोई normal jacket के साथ it will give like a normal सा look. You can go out for movies and shopping or a date. It will look amazing. And it is ribbed material, so it is stretchable. It is from brand Forever 21 and it is size large. Online also you can find this for something 800 rupees, but at my store it is for 370 rupees with free ship. So next is this beautiful lavender sweater. I love this. The quality is amazing. It is way too soft and पहनने के बाद it is so comfortable. If you can see, it is little bit see through, इसलिए मैंने इसको shirt के साथ style किया था and it looks so beautiful. I will post some pictures here. And I love the lavender color. Like lavender color is always in trend. It looks so beautiful. It is from brand H&M and it is size small to extra small. हमेशा उल्टा क्यों बोलती हूँ यार. It is extra small to small. And can you guess the price? It is just for 400 rupees with free. Guys, so the next is this beautiful blue vintage sweater. This sweater is all over Pinterest and I've seen so many celebrities in this sweater. I love the quality. It is so warm and I styled it with brown pants and it looks so aesthetic. Like I tried something new and I really love the outcome. And I love the print and everything is just perfect. And it is size medium to large and it is priced for 460 rupees with free shipping. So the next are these black warm pants. I am obsessed with them because they are so comfortable and the quality and material is amazing. It is warm material, so it is perfect for winters. It have elastic waist, so which make it more comfortable. And these are kind of pants जब तुम्हें थोड़ा casual भी dress up होना हो and you want to look fab also, then these are perfect for that occasion. And It will fit waist 26 to 32 and it is priced for 470 with free shipping. Okay guys, so the next is this beautiful dress with polka dot print which is evergreen. It have elastic at the waist and मुझे वो ड्रेस बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आती है which have elastic at the waist. Like तुम कितना भी खा लो वो एडजस्ट हो जाती है. And it have these adjustable straps so you can adjust it according to your length. It is very flowy, the material is amazing, it have lining inside which is a plus point, and it is size small and it is priced for 440 with free shipping. So I styled this dress with this cream vest. It is knitted material. I really love the quality. And जैसे ही winters आते हैं वेस्ट इतने ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में आ जाते हैं. लाइक पीपल स्टाइल इट विद शर्ट एंड यू कैन स्टाइल इट विद ड्रेस. दे लुक सो अमेजिंग एंड अगेन द क्वालिटी इज़ अमेजिंग. It is size medium and it is priced for 430 with free shipping. So the next is this beautiful blue floral dress. I love the print and the quality is amazing. It have elastic back so sizing में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होएगी. It have ऐसे शोल्डर पे ऐसे बांधने वाला थिंग, आई डोंट नो उसको एग्जैक्टली क्या कहते हैं. एंड इट हैव टेसल्स जो इसको थोड़ा बोहेमियन लुक दे रहे हैं. द बेस्ट थिंग इज इसकी छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स लाइक इफ़ यू कैन सी इट हैव दिस थ्रेड वर्क जो इसको थोड़ा डिज़ाइनर लुक दे रहे हैं. एंड दिस वन मोर थिंग दैट दिस ड्रेस हैव पॉकेट्स. लाइक आर यू किडिंग मी, दिस ड्रेस हैव पॉकेट्स. आई लव दिस ड्रेस सो मच एंड इट इज़ प्राइस्ड फॉर 440 with free shipping. So I styled the blue dress with this pullover. I love the color, it's so pretty and the quality is amazing. It is really soft material and ऐसे basic pullover होने बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है because you can style them in so many ways. And जब तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं होता पहनने के लिए, these are life savior. And it is size medium to large and it is priced for 420 with free shipping. Okay guys, that's it for today's haul. I hope you guys like it. सब सरप्राइज पे आते हैं. आई नो कमेंट्स के थ्रू बुक करना बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग हो जाता है एंड इस वजह से लॉट ऑफ पीपल अनफॉलो मी. उस वजह से मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगता था. सो सबकी खुशी के लिए फाइनली मैंने वेबसाइट बना ली है एंड आई विल बी लॉन्चिंग इट टुमारो. आई विल बी पोस्टिंग इस जितने भी कपड़े मैंने दिखाए कल ऑन वेबसाइट ओनली. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड एंड आई जस्ट नीड वन थिंग फ्रॉम यू गाइज दैट प्लीज़ ऑलवेज सपोर्ट मी. अब मैंने यूट्यूब भी स्टार्ट किया है सो दैट मैं थोड़ी रेगुलर रहूँ हॉल पोस्ट करने के लिए. सो आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल बिकॉज मेरे को अगर थोड़ा बहुत भी मोटिवेशन मिलेगा तो मैं उतनी ही ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करूँगी. सो या दैट्स इट. आई लव यू गाइज सो मच.